Hey guys, it's Star from Fixate Cosmetics and we are back with another packing video. Today's order is a little different, and today we're packing a wholesaling order. And in case you guys did not know, Fixate Cosmetics does offer wholesaling opportunities for our products, whether it be for large businesses, small businesses. If you are working on a project for beauty products, we definitely offer wholesaling. All you need to do to inquire or to submit your form to be approved for wholesaling, go ahead and click the link in our bio and scroll down to the bottom of our website where it says wanna wholesale, and you can go from there. And we'll get into the video. And this particular order is getting a handwritten note just to show our gratitude. Just in a couple of orders that we've processed, I have seen this particular business purchase quite a bit from us for wholesaling, and I just wanted to personally give my thanks from the company, just to be able to help them with their business and just let them know how grateful we are that they wholesale with us.